Hi, I'm Aditya, presenting on behalf of Team Codesicko. Every city collects thousands of complaints a week, waste, water, roads, but almost none of them can quickly answer one question: what should we actually do next? That's what we built CivicPulse-AI to fix. Civic teams aren't short on data, they are short on decision ready insights. A spreadsheet shows rows, not priorities, and a generic chatbot will happily guess a number that isn't real. For a city official, a wrong statistic isn't a bug, it's a bad policy decision. That gap between raw complaint logs and an actual action plan is what we targeted. So, our team built CivicPulse AI, a decision intelligence dashboard. Python computes the real analytics first: trends, hotspots, anomalies. Only then do we hand those numbers to Gemini, specifically Gemini 2.5 Flashlight, to explain them and recommend next steps. Gemini never invents a statistic, it can only reason over what we actually computed. The overview tab. Here's the overview tab right after loading our demo dataset. About 370 realistic citizen complaints across 8 weeks. Instantly, Riverside is our hotspot, waste collection is the leading issue, and the trend is rising. Below that, our decision scoreboard: urgency, impact, confidence, and severity. All scored from the actual data, not guessed. Now, let's ask it directly: what should we prioritize this week? This question goes to Gemini along with the computed analytics JSON, so the answer stays grounded. And there it is: what's happening, why it matters, where, a recommended next step, and a confidence score. Anomalies tab. The anomalies tab statistical flags statistical spikes. This waste collection surge sits at nearly 3 standard deviations above normal. Simple GSS score math, and so it's fully explainable, not a black box. Recommendations tab, and the feature we're most proud of. One click generates a full executive brief, findings, recommended actions with owners and timeframes, downloadable as a memo a city team can hand off directly. If we download it now, you can easily see how easy it is to understand this, and any city official can basically understand it very easily and make some changes to whatever the issues are. Under the hood, every prompt embeds the computer analytics as JSON and instructs Gemini to use only those numbers. Never invent an area or category. We force structured JSON output so the UI renders it directly. And if Gemini is ever unreachable, a deterministic offline fallback keeps the app running. What makes this different from a chatbot or a BI dashboard? Numbers are computed before the AI ever runs, so there's zero hallucinated statistics. Every answer maps to a decision, not just a chart, and because it scales to zero, it's generally usable by municipal teams and NGOs who can't afford a heavy BI setup. Next up for us. So that's CivicPulse-AI from Team Codesicko, turning raw community complaints into decisions, not just answers. Thanks for watching. The live demo and code are linked below.